Okay, picture this. I'm halfway through my frozen pizza binge when my phone bings. It's my wireless security cameras, sending me a crisp 2K notification of my Amazon package landing like it's being filmed for a movie trailer. Let's just say I've become the neighborhood security director. So I installed this home-based 2-camera set, and I swear I feel like Tony Stark. Let me show you why this thing is actually genius, and why you might start watching your own driveway like it's Netflix. I thought, how much drama can one lawn have? But after the third time a raccoon treated my trash bins like it was Golden Corral, I decided it was time for surveillance. Not the sketchy pixelated kind. Something that makes me proud to say, smile, you're on camera. The home base connects both cameras smoothly. It's like the cameras gossip to each other. One watches the front door, the other watches the driveway, like a babysitter and a bouncer at the same time. Clarity, unbelievably crisp. The footage looks like a nature documentary narrating my mail delivery. Night vision works so well I caught the raccoon giving me the side eye in HD. Setup took me less time than setting up my Wi-Fi printer. And that's saying something. I showed my neighbor the live feed. Now everybody wants one. Even Karen from down the street. You know, the one that reports everyone for parking on the curb. Now she's asking for the link. If you want peace of mind, crisp footage, and you want the satisfaction of catching both mischievous chipmunks and squirrels and sneaky delivery ninjas, this set is the upgrade you need. Plus, it feels good knowing your home has your back, literally front and back.